Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I just filmed the intro and the music was playing in the background, so for the purpose of this being demonetized, I just thought I would do a new intro and excuse the sopping wet hair. So we're going to unbox my new Revlon hairdryer and hope it lasts a bit longer than the TikTok shop one did. I don't know whether this is going to go on my longer form content channel, so makeup tutorials with Andy. I don't know whether it's going to go on there or whether I'm just going to put it on Embracing My Curls. Should I call it Embracing My Curls with Andy? Because maybe then people will know it's me. I don't know. Right, so in here we've got the diffuser. A curly girl needs a diffuser, as you girls know. And guys, oh, I hope this looks a little bit complicated. Normally that bit's round, isn't it, and goes on. I hope I can do this. I should have actually tried doing this before I came on here. Ooh, this is pretty though. How heavy is it? It's quite heavy. It's heavier than my last one. So this is what it looks like. Revlon, that's where the diffuser goes, I guess. Then it's got this throws out like a cooler. And then it's got the temperature gauges, so this one and this one. And on my old one, this temperature gauge that you flick up, I can't flick it back down. So every time it's powered on at the mains, I mean, it's not broken. It's just the temperature gauge that is broken. And it's pointless sending it back to TikTok shop to go back to China for the sake of, what, £10 or £12, whatever I paid for it. I can't even remember. So let's untie the ties. And then we'll do a little demo. I don't know, maybe I'll just dry my fringe, because I mean, I can do the whole, all of the hair and just speed it up, I guess. I was gonna do it as a live, but this is gonna go up after, because the hairdryer's not even gone up, like the Amazon haul, I mean, that I bought it from. That's not even gone up on my curly Embracing My Curls channel yet, and also my makeup tutorials with Andy, because it was a haul, it's going up there. So it's got that on it. We'll take that off. Wait. Okay, that's cool. Cool. Right, let's see if I can. Apparently this comes off as well, I guess, to get the fluff out of it. I'm not going to even mess with that at this moment in time. I don't need to mess with it, do I? So hopefully it just slots in somehow. Right. Dumbass doesn't know how to do it. Okay, let me come back in a minute. Right, you really have to slot it in, but at least now it's not going to fall off. With my other one from TikTok shop, I was drying the hair, and it literally fell off, and sometimes it would bang me in the head. But it looks pretty cool, right? Let me know if you guys have got one of these ones. Like it is, it's a lot heavier, so it's probably going to weigh my arm down, which is going to do my back no favours, as I'm struggling with back pain at the moment. Back and shoulder and neck pain. So I don't know what that's about. But you're not here for that. You're here for this unboxing, testing Revlon hairdryer situation that I've got going on. So let me plug it in and I'll be back in a minute. Right, so again, this was the one from the TikTok shop, and I'll show you the diffuser. That was the diffuser. So what I meant before when I said they're normally round, that's easy to put in. So just clicks in like that. But when it gets to a certain degree, this starts flying off all over the place. And can you see here, the temperature gauge? I can't get it down. So, note to selves, guys. Do not buy a hairdryer from TikTok shop. Oh, I don't know what happened there, but the whole of the hair, when I was drying, hasn't been recorded, so I need to keep an eye on this recording. So we'll start again, but I think I'm only going to do the fringe anyway, and then I'll come back when the whole of the head's dry. But I was saying this part of the lead seems to be at an angle like that, but I think it's because you flex your hair, and so then it's not twisting. Not you flex your hair, you flex the dryer, so that this part of the lead isn't twisting. I think that's the whole idea behind it, because it's a rotating hairdryer. That's my thoughts anyway. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. So let's get back to this now. I need to keep an eye on the actual camera as well, because I'm not too sure whether I didn't record this part or whether I don't have enough memory for it. And if you're a curly girl with thick hair, is your hair as high maintenance as mine? I mean, my fringe isn't dry yet, and it's practically on full power. I can't put it on full power here, because I tried it before. It's on number 2. I tried it before and it smelled like burning, but I think that's just because it's a new hairdryer. So I put it on 3 here. It does have a bit of a burning sensation. Not sensation, smell. But how else are you supposed to get rid of it unless you actually use it? So... this will just be boring. Like, we're over 5 minutes in now, so I'm going to dry my hair. I will come back and I will tell you what I think about this hairdryer. Right, so I've dried, I would say, a good 95%. I don't dry it fully. Like, you can see the bits of here are a little bit wet. But it's more dry than it would normally be, because I've been tinkering around with the hairdryer. I'll tell you my thoughts on that in a minute. We're just going to use some styling products. If you live in the UK, these are the most inexpensive styling products I'm going to show you now. So I've got them all from Bodycare. I think this was £1.99, possibly £2.99, and it's my holy grail. So we'll put some Curl Gloss Illuminating Hair Oil in. It's by Headshock. And I always put this in after I've washed it. I only do like 1 drop. I don't know if you're going to see it. There's only a bit of a tiny drop there. Then squish it around the hands. Might need a bit more because I need to do the back, and I also need to do the fringe. Like maybe just half a drop for the fringe. The back has got enough in. And I just tap this on, because if I kind of separate the curls, sometimes it goes a bit frizzy. It's getting to the point now though, guys, where I need to cut my fringe. Can't even remember when I went to the hairdressers last, but it was a good few months ago now. And then what I'll do is I'll go in with this Inecto Naturals Curl Club No Crunch Scrunching Jelly for waves, curls and coils with 100% natural oils, shea butter, coconut and castor oils. Castor oil makes your hair grow. I've actually got some brow castor oil in here that I should be putting on every night, or at least every day, and I've forgotten to do it. I think I'll do it in a minute actually. I've got no makeup on at the moment. So it says it's Curly Girl inspired, so this is why I'm talking about it here. It's vegan, and then it's got a little bunny rabbit, and it says we care, so it's not tested on animals, I don't think. 100% natural oils, innovative jelly formula to enhance natural curl pattern for a weightless feel for soft, beautiful curls every day. And this wasn't much either, I think about £1.99. Right, just a tiny bit, and if I need more I can always go in with a bit more. And again, we're just scrunching, guys. There is no rhyme or reason for it, but scrunching it in, like, to me is the best way of doing it. I'm sure I'll get some comments here. Last time I did a video on the bounce brush that I've got, it's a dupe for it. I got some comments that I was doing it wrong. But you've got to bear in mind when you've not used a brush like that, because when I used to do my hair before, I just used to let the curls go wherever they wanted. But now I've got more of a curl pattern by using that bounce curl dupe brush. If you want to see it, I will put a video of it, and I've gotten so much better at using it, so I might do an update to that really soon. And then just a tiny amount on the fringe. And again, it's just like tapping it on the fringe. And then at the back there. And I don't normally put this on day one of the curls. So guys, I don't normally put this on day one of washing my hair. But it is a Inecto Naturals product. And it's the Curl Club All-in-One Curl Activating Spray with 100% natural oil, shea butter, coconut and castor oil. What does it say? It says Curly Girl inspired again, vegan, and we care, all-in-one curl activating spray, enhanced natural curl pattern and tames frizz. So it doesn't say when you've got to put it on. So we'll put some on, shall we? But I wouldn't normally do it at this stage. Normally I would do it next day. And then again, we're just scrunching. So, I mean, some people would use mousse next. I don't feel like with all that product I need mousse as well. Maybe next day. But I don't tend to put any product in next day. I let it go frizzy. And then, so I've had a shower today. It's Friday. And I won't wash my hair till next Friday. It's once a week that I do it. I do go in the shower quite often, I just don't wash my hair. But yeah, this is what the curls are looking like. I really feel like they look nice today. Thank you so much for watching. I might actually come on once I've done the makeup as well, and you can see the overall kind of look that I've got going on for today. Yeah, I think I'll do that. But bye for now, and I'll see you soon. So this is the overall look, guys, with the makeup on. Those are the eyes. Most of the makeup's come off here, but this is the hair. The hairdryer is really, really good. I recommend it on first impressions, but obviously I'm going to be using it a lot more. My hair and my curls today just seem so much better than the previous times. I've used the hairdryer that I got from the TikTok shop, the one that I showed you earlier, but yeah. I like it a lot.